God. Money baby. Jesus!
Why they shout Jesus? Wetin happen? Hey!
Thank you, Jesus. What if they thank God for? Now you get her.
Who give her me?
I carry him. You carry this or character, follow me on this place.
Now go down answer our prayer.
Which prayer you pray? Up and the oga get her. Show you the arranged bed. Come here, you take.
Hi. This money will change our life forever.
Which life you want change? Now you get her.
Family problem now. This money will carry this money japa.
No be your own. See, they no train me to thief. Waiting no be your if you collect an swear.
See, your younger ones they school. They there you fool yourself.
Lock up. God will provide. Come on, not be your own.
Hey, you be mumu.
I know. If I'm not they go, I not trust you this money. Not change you can go. The one that they see, so I not trust you.
Okay, wait.
What do you want to tell me?
I never finished the bed, so just go to the other room. I'll come and meet you.
I don't want to find you.
Until they go.
This one more laugh when they laugh.
Thank you, Jesus, for answering prayer. My life don't change. Dollar. Oga, we are done.
Oh, you are done, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Hope you clean the place very well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I have wired your money to your manager, so he will sort you out.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell her the shake you that I'm not seeing.
Don't carry the money there.
You're looking for what? Tell me,
What's your problem?
for waiting. I will talk. No try am. Yes.
No, we are fine, sir.
Sir, there's a
She's anything the problem. Why
there's,
you guys like
there's a problem. I beg, I don't feel like problem day.
problem?
Yes.
What is it?
See, now this work I tell they train my younger ones so no they pitch me. When we they clean just now,
Okay.
inside your drawer we see dollar.
Dollar?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, so
Yes, sir.
in many. So I mean I don't like koala. This small work as people they call me so no they pitch me, oh, not pitch me. As people they call me so for this work, it favor me. So when I see the money, I come tell my colleagues say so sure I see money, oh.
Okay.
Now they answer whether because as I come as I say the money no they wear at Tesia. Now they answer now so say the money they bag. I mean, may not call this police they find me.
Wait. You saw money in my room.
Yes,
and she
dollar,
took it.
not be Nigerian money, dollar.
I know.
Also Igbo money.
I know. Can I have the money, please?
Sir, it's the work of the devil.
I'm not saying it's not the
Devil not do
Can I
anything.
have
Bring the money come aside. Like I know you like all the kind
Sorry.
thing.
Can I have the money?
So the thief join this one.
Oh wow.
Yes, and the
Sorry,
money
sir.
with that.
It's the
No
work of
thanks.
the devil. Never repeat yourself again, sir.
I just make her tell you, so I no go fit say na me and I do am. I no like wahala.
Well. The truth is, I know that I kept money there, and I did it on purpose. Because I know you guys are coming to clean, and I just wanted to help anybody that comes to clean today.
Not be me.
So I was trying to test you to know whether you will pass my test or not. You see, you are a good one, oh.
Thank you.
And I keep up the good work.
God will bless you.
You know, God will bless you more.
Amen.
For being a very good person. So keep
my
up
man
with
train
this.
me well.
Keep up with this habit.
No, they take what not be our
I'm so sorry,
Just come.
I
Take.
should go.
Add this to your money. Come and take.
Everything for me.
Yes, for you. Come and take.
Brother, you mean that?
Come and take.
Everything for me. Man, no way.
Look, let me even add more. Take.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Thank you. Only man, my life don't change. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Let me to tell you. Thank you.
Sorry.
No. You don't need to be sorry because you already got your wrath already.
Jesus.
Just imagine if you had seen the money and left it where it is. Probably both of you would have been blessed now. But look at where your greediness has brought you.
Thank you.
So it's all good, You can take your leave, and I would call your management that I don't want to ever see you here again, and I will tell them about this your habit. No, you don't need to be sorry. Just go. Go. No, it's fine. I would call your management and I will recommend you more for better jobs. Okay?
I should go with it.
No, you go with it. Make sure you don't give that thief.
Hey, no, miss. The money. No, you show me.
Sure you don't give that thief.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, dollar. Hey, God, I die.
You see, in this world that we are in, it pays to be honest and trustworthy, because when you're honest and trustworthy, you tend to gain more help and favor from people. But when you decide to be a cheat, a thief, and a liar, what do you get? Shame, disgrace, embarrassment. So my brother out there, please stop it, okay? Thank you. Like, share, and press the follow button.